this is day 2 of the Flylady 28-day cleaning challenge. We are in zone 2, that is my kitchen. So I have done actually preparing breakfast and packed all the boxes for the kids. So basically this is the state of the kitchen. I try to clean up everything. I need to put a few things back in place, and this is what we had for the box. So let me show you. Son took some papad along with sambar, and I made this sambar in 6 minutes. I mean, I'm really happy with myself, along with rice. So this here which is left is for me, because my husband has already gone for work and they are giving lunch, providing lunch there for him today. I washed all the dishes and I have left them out to dry. The sink is shiny and clean. There is a little more. I just washed a dish with rice, so I have to clean up that. There's the trash bag, and nowadays I'm keeping here. I saw on Amazon a bag holder. I'm thinking of buying that. If you have already bought that, just let me know if it's even worth spending money on that. So this area I have washed and dried the mats, and I need to put that plate away, empty some of the dishwasher dishes, and laundry. This is yesterday's laundry. I need to get that down, and I have already started a load of laundry. I need to put that inside, out to dry, I mean. And I'm thinking of working for my decluttering today on this section and under the kitchen sink, which I never ever do. One is I can't squat much, so probably that is why it is one of the most neglected areas of my kitchen. So that's what I'll be doing today. I've already finished the swish and swipe of my bathroom. In the kitchen, and I need to get those dishes put away, get to some of the dirty dishes in the sink, and then I'll start prepping. My kids are going to come back from school now, so I'll start prepping for the minestrone soup I'm going to make for them. So you can watch me do that. Prep for the minestrone soup. For that I'm going to grate some tomatoes. done. I just need to set the timer and it will be done. In the meantime, just clean up a little and I am done. There's soup ready for the kids when they come back. So evening snack for them, minestrone soup is ready. Kitchen is all clean and clear. I still haven't done the clothes. I need to dry the clothes. It's gonna be 3 o'clock now, 2:55. Those two clothes which are hanging at the back, I'll swap them out towards the end of the day. Sometimes I go through 4 cloths, and then what I need to do now is get to the clothes here. I'll show you which I dried yesterday. They should be dried by today, and I need to put up new clothes. Hold this pile of clothes here and I should be done for my daily housework. I still need to do the 15 minutes of decluttering. So first let's tackle the clothes.